So in today's video, you can test what you look like in 60 years and what will you look like if you are a different gender, and what will you look like if you travel to Qing Dynasty. So let's start in what you look like in 2078. Let's start. It's Qimou. The English name is FaceU. I don't know if you know about this app, but many Chinese using this app. It has all kinds of different filters. I will talk about in this video as well. It's not just what you look like in 60 years. There are some people ask me what app I use for pictures, and this is one of them. I use this to take pictures. I highly recommend that you try it out, and it's free. So this app is developed in China from Shenzhen city. I will record it on my phone so you can see it. So you can see that's a little bit different than the camera, right? Because it's automatic filter. A sticker called Getting Older, and you can just turn on this sticker. Look. Yeah, this is what I look like in 60 years. Let me remove my bands so you can even see this better. I wonder if I will really look like in 60 years. Let me show the basic filters. It's for the face part. Beautify, level 0. This is level 1. You can see that my face gets a lot smaller, right? Level 0, level 1, level 2, beautify, level 3, beautify. See, I'm getting prettier. Level 4, beautify, level 5, beautify. Look at my chin. It's so small. I think this is too much. Level 4, beautify. Level 3, level 2, level 1, level 1, and this one has no beautify. I prefer level 1. It looks natural. Just beautify a little bit. Level 5 is too much. Too much. And look, it makes my forehead look so big. The chin so small. I like level 1 and level 2. So this is the level 0. So this is the normal size. It has different colors. This filter I'm using is summer. This is the original. It's a bit yellowish, right? Pinkish filter. It looks good too. It looks very pinkish. Also has the makeup. This is the skin level. Smooth your skin. This is the level 0. No smooth. Can you see a little bit poor? You can see that without no smooth skin, it's a little bit red over here. The level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Wow, this is too much. I think level 1, level 2 is just right. Choose level 1. This is my original lips. And make it other colors. Oh, this is so red. Oh, I love it. I think the original color look good too. Blusher filter. You can change my eyebrow. So what I mean is you can put on makeup in this filter and the face shape. And eyeliner, different eyeliner you can choose. And I also want to show you guys this sticker. So this sticker is new. It's based on Chinese drama, the story of Yanxi Palace. So travel to Qing Dynasty. I'll just choose a picture from library. I need to make the picture bigger. Eyes, nose, and then they will draw an image of you in Qing Dynasty. Oh, that's my face. Eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Mine. I can also look like a guy. This is me. Do you think I'm very handsome? Let's see what I look like if I'm an emperor. If I'm an emperor, I look like that. Do you want to be my concubine? Very interesting, very interesting. I like it. Which do you like the most? I think I like this look. Maybe because the clothes is pink. I really like it. Yeah, I look pretty handsome when I'm a boy, right? I look very handsome. If I become handsome, will you love me? If I'm an emperor, do you want to be my concubine? I remember before they also have a lot of ancient Chinese look filter. So they have a tons of filters. You can try it, like over hundreds filters. I can't do all in this video, but if you want to do this, I can start the live stream on my Twitch, and maybe we can do it together. Oh, I forgot to put my bands back. Do I look better without bands or with bands? I don't know which way is better. So that's all for today. I hope you having fun with this app, and it's free. I have been wanting to do this video to introduce you this app for a long time. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon.